Good morning and welcome to my noisy washing machine. So it's 6 o'clock. Got my first cup of coffee and it's chili cook-off day. So yay! And got it out of the fridge, put it in the crock pot last night, and just got it turned on 6 o'clock. So hopefully in 4 hours, it'll be ready to go. Stay tuned. There, we have made it to the Harley dealership with only some minor spillage. Thank God I had it in a roasting pan, but we're here and judging starts soon. Let's see how it goes. So my husband said no to the $25,000 Harley trike. Yeah, I don't think so. But it sure was nice. Sure would be nice to have armrests and a cup holder back there. But anyway, we're still hanging out. Got another hour or so to go. Well, alas and alack, we are not winners. Well, we're not chili cook-off winners this weekend. That's fine. I still think mine was most unique. It was the only pork chili there. Maybe I should have had a sign. I don't know. Doesn't matter. It's still good chili. I'm gonna let it cool. We are all chilied out. And I think I'm gonna freeze it and we can have it some other time. That's it. Hope you all are having a great weekend. We did not buy the $25,000 Harley trike. I guess we'll just have to do with what we got. Anyway, have a great weekend. And hey, I'll see you when I see you. Bye.